Mr. Chair,
Congressman, if I also try to tell us those persons who have not attended this committee hearing, can you make my excuse letter? Okay yun. But those who have not replied to our request to be present on today's hearing.
Thank you,
Mr.
Mr.
Chair,
Chair.
particularly first, Mr. Chair,
Congressman,
particularly I am referring to AKA Jody Vivre, sapagkat matindi yung kanyang mga sinabi dito. Gusto ko talagang makita siya at makausap. Pagkat dito minura niya ako. Patang sabi niya, panay kabubuhan sa kuwan. Sayang kuryente sa'yo. Bakit?
Mr. Chairman, Congressman, don't be so personal. Let's be more comprehensive on this approach.
Pinapasok lang.
Sige, go ahead. I'll give you
Pangalawa, November 13, 2024, nagmura na naman siya. Hindi ko lang babagutin yung mura niya. Pag tinatanong kung anong legislation ginawa niyo in relation to this, BS, ano ba yung BS? BS inquiry, sasagot ka, paswelduhan ka ng taxpayers, gago. November 3, 2024, si Benny Abante at si Romel Marbil ay mga protektor ng illegal na droga dahil pilit nilang pinalabas na hindi ito ganun kasama. Tapos sabing ganyan, si Dan Fernandez and Ace Barber survey are depressing. Alam na nila na matatalo sila sa eleksyon. So what is the hearing for? Smoke screen for the discount. Sinabi ko ito sapagkat matindi po itong mga akusasyon na ibinigay nitong gusto ko nila magmura Hindi na ako pupumura muna. Oo. Kailangan po, itong mga to, ang tatapang nila Ang tatapang sa pumura, nang wala tayong kalaban-laban. Ngayon, pag kaharap dito, hindi makaharap dito. Oo. Mga takot din pala yung mga yan.
Please hold your fire, please. We're just on the process of administrative, ano pa lang muna tayo, Congressman Abante. We can tackle that on the interpellation.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang po pakitin itong kanyang excuse letter. Nakalagay dito, after meaningful consultation with my lawyers, kumayag pa ng abogado. I have decided to respectfully decline. Respectfully? Minumura tayo, respectfully? To share my knowledge on matters. Hindi knowledge ang kailangan natin. Oo. Ask the lawyers kung libelous yung ginawa niyo, o slander. Nakalagay, I would like to categorically state that I am neither paid by POGO operators. Hindi yun ang pinag-uusapan. Pinag-uusapan natin yung mga sinabi niya. Tapos respectfully, Elizabeth Joby Cruz. Nakikinig po sa atin ngayon, nanonood ngayon. Pumanag ka dito, kumatapang ka. Hirap sa iyo nagmumura ka. Nang dyan na wala kaming kalaban-laban. Pumanag ka dito. Dito. Namo.
Please observe now, refrain from laughing or whatever expression you wanted to. Please observe decency and of course.
Mr. Chair, movement to strike out.
With all due respect, with Congressman Abante, I feel your sentiment. I feel your sentiment, but we are in the process of finding out the yung pong implementation of the 10175. And I respect your freedom of expression. But what I'm trying to tell you is to refrain from the fire that you wanted to express. No? But for now, nandun pa lang po tayo sa administrative matter, and we wanted to finish that. And then we will be discussing, or we will be approving the ground rules. Wala pa po yung ground rules, and kaya nga po, doon sana yung Chairman Abante dumapatak sa ground rules. Anyway, having said that, siguro we proceed to the next item.
Mr. Chair,
to approve.
So that we can have an orderly hearing, we must first approve the ground rules. I believe that the COMSEC has already distributed copies of the ground rules to the members present. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I move to approve the ground rules.
Yes, there's a motion to approve the ground rules, and I believe that the members of this committee have already received the yung pong ground rules natin, and you have already read it. So siguro I need a second motion for this. Any second motion? Any objection? Hearing none, the second motion is now approved. So the next item of our agenda is for all the
Mr. Chair,
yes, Congressman Zamora.
I would like to reiterate my earlier motion to strike out the expletive that was mentioned by my idol, Representative Abante. Earlier, second motion.
Mr. Chair,
Second motion.
I object because it was not expletive. Sinabi ko lang, namu. That can mean anything. That can mean anything.
You're in a show.
If that is the... Huh?
No, it was seconded, Mr. Chairman. And objection to Congressman Abante. It's up to the members if they will vote for it or the objection to Chairman Abante.
1 minute suspension. Hearing resumed. So there's a motion to strike out the word that was delivered by Congressman Abante, and this was fully seconded. Any objection?
Mr. Chair.
This motion is approved.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
I
Congressman
would
Abante.
like to manifest na because it was the emotion made by she's just like a daughter to me because her father is a very good friend of mine. So I would like to withdraw my objection, although it is not actually an expletive.
Yeah.
But I'm withdrawing it for the sake of the motion, Mr. Chair.
So the next item of our agenda is the administering the oath of the resource persons. Those who have been invited to attend this committee hearing, please stand up, and the COMSEC is hereby directed to administer the oath of the resource persons.
We will request all the resource persons invited to stand. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this inquiry. Thank you. Please take your seat.
Mr. Chair, once again,
Go ahead.
we would like to have an orderly proceedings of the hearings. So therefore, we have some reminders to the members because